Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel Uber One subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your Uber app, and once you open it, you'll be seeing this kind of homepage. Now on the bottom bar you'll be seeing a bunch of icons. Right now simply tap on the account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on that icon you'll be seeing this profile page, right? And now here you can see a bunch of options and tabs like help, payment and activity. Right now here, if you have Uber One subscription, then the tab will be displayed right beside that three tabs. Right, then all you gotta do to cancel is simply tap on that tab and then tap on cancel subscription, and that's basically how you can cancel Uber One subscription. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.